Hello good people. Welcome back to another video of CoinCraw. Subscribe our channel to get regular and latest cryptocurrency updates and pump signals. On Monday, Ripple's XRP gained 25.42%. Ripple's XRP finished the day at $0.99474, reversing a 12.48% drop from Sunday. Ripple's XRP fell to an intraday low of $0.75600 before making a jump after a mixed start to the day. Ripple's XRP rallied to a late intraday peak of $0.99853, avoiding the first big support level at $0.6401. Ripple's XRP finished the day at 99 cents after breaking through the 62% fib of $0.8573 and the first big resistance level of $0.9568. Late in the day, resistance at $1 pushed Ripple's XRP back. Ripple's XRP was up 3.15% to $1.02605 at the time of publishing. Ripple's XRP fell to an early morning low of $0.98006 before rising to a high of $1.05000, indicating a mixed start to the day. Early on, Ripple's XRP failed to measure the main help and resistance thresholds. To reach the first big resistance level at $1.0768, Ripple's XRP must prevent a fall through the $0.9164 pivot. Ripple's XRP, on the other hand, will require support from the wider market to break out from its morning high of $1.05000. Any upside will likely be capped by the first big resistance level and resistance at $1.10, unless there is a prolonged crypto rally. Ripple's XRP could test resistance at $1.20 in the event of a prolonged rally. $1.1590 as the second major resistance stage. If the $0.9164 pivot is breached, the 62% fib of $0.8573 and the first big support level at $0.8343 will come into play. Ripple's XRP, on the other hand, should avoid falling below 80 cents unless there is another prolonged sell-off. $0.6739 as the second big support standard. From the swing high of $1.96598 on April 14, a sustained fall through the 62% fib will shape a near-term bearish pattern. Examining technical indicators. $0.8343 as the first major support level. $0.9164 pivot level. $1.0768 as the first major resistance level. $1.5426 as the 23.6% fib retracement level. $1.2807 as the 38.2% fib retracement level. Level of 62% fib retracement, $0.8573. Ripple, XRP, is a peer-to-peer cryptocurrency that integrates with the Internet to provide a fast, direct, and secure way to send payments over the Internet. Ripple is a protocol for real-time gross settlements, RTGS, currency exchange, and money transfer. Ripple Transaction Protocol, RTXP, or Ripple Protocol is another name for it. It's based on a decentralized open Internet protocol, a consensus ledger, and its own currency, XRP. Ryan Fugger, a web developer in Vancouver, BC, Canada, was the first to introduce Ripple Coin in 2004. In 2005, Fugger started developing Ripple Pay as a financial service that would enable members of an online community to make safe payments over a global network. In May 2011, a new digital currency system based on this protocol was launched, complete with its own cryptocurrency, XRP. Jed McCaleb developed a new method as a result of this in 2011. It was created to replace Bitcoin's reliance on centralized exchanges, use less power, and process transactions much faster than Bitcoin. RTXP was established in 2012 with the mission of providing safe, instant, and nearly free global money operations of any size without chargebacks. Payments may be made using fiat money, cryptocurrency, commodities, or other units such as bonus miles or mobile minutes. Since transactions in this system are validated by network participants' consensus rather than mining, as in the Bitcoin network, it increases bank and payment network confidence. The Earthport Service Payment System, for example, uses the RTXP and is operational in 65 countries, including the Bank of America and the HSBC Bank. XRP is now one of the most valuable digital currencies in terms of market capitalization. Ripple allows users to send money to one another using cryptographically signed transactions denominated in any real-world asset, dollars, gold, air miles, etc. To this end, Ripple holds a ledger of debts owed by users who trust one another. All assets are interpreted as debt in this way. When two users who trust each other make a payment, the balance of their joint credit line is changed, according to the limits set by each user. To send assets between users who have not directly formed a trust relationship, the system attempts to find a route between them that has each connection between two users who do have a trust relationship. The path's balances are then adjusted atomically and simultaneously. Thanks for watching. Happy investing. Disclaimer. I am not a licensed financial advisor. All videos on this channel are intended for entertainment purposes only. You should not buy, sell, trade, or invest in any asset based on what I say in these videos. You should know that investing carries extreme risks. You could lose your entire investment. This is not trading advice, and I am in no way liable for any losses incurred.